Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike Reynolds from Smithhaven Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, and Ram in Long Island, New York. Today we got a 2007 Corvette Convertible. It's red with a tan and black interior, chrome wheels, side airbags, navigation system. It's got a really nice Borla Exhaust system on it. Sounds evil. Car is absolutely perfect. Even has the side sill guards on it. Scuff plates. Got a little over 15,000 miles. $15,767. It's got an aftermarket navigation system in it. Stereo rocks. Extremely clean, nice car. Definitely sounds evil. Got a black top, heads-up display, extremely nice. Well, thanks again for checking us out today. Again, my name is Michael from Smithhaven Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, and Ram. Our phone number is 631-863-2000, or check us out online. It's smithhaven.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.